Money can either bring two people closer together or drive a wedge between them. So what's the secret to financial success as a couple? In this video, I'm going to show you when to start talking about finances with your partner, how financially successful couples talk about money, and whether you should combine your finances or not. The first rule is financially successful couples actually do talk about money. But let's be real, don't bring it up on the first date. There might not be a second one. And there are three pivotal moments in a relationship when it makes total sense to start the money conversation. Number one, your first trip together. If you're planning a trip, say something like, "I'm really excited for our trip. What do we want it to look and feel like? How can we prepare for it?" And as you get talking about it, then gently ask, "What are your financial expectations around this trip? Here's how I'm thinking about it." Number two, moving in together. When you decide to live together, say, "I'm so happy we're taking this step. I think it's a great time to talk about how we want to handle money together." Even if you keep finances separate, which is normal after just moving in together, joint expenses are coming. Groceries, rent, utilities. Just talk about how the money will flow. Number three, getting engaged. This is something we've just gone through. And this is the time to dream big. Say, "Now that we're engaged, I'd love to sit down and talk about our rich life and how we'll use money to build it." This includes combining your finances. And if you're going to go ahead and do that, it's about defining the proper steps ahead. Although those moments I just mentioned are quite specific and may feel already intuitive, there's other times where it's also extremely important to talk about money. Deciding if you're going to have kids, any big life decisions such as going back to school, changing jobs, and of course, after you're married, talking about who's going to be in charge of certain aspects of the money. Now, regardless of your living or money situation, I would still highly encourage you to talk more openly about money. A lot of people think money is something you should hide from your partner or your kids. But I see money as fuel for your rich life. It lets you travel, buy your dream car, be generous, and live with intention. Most couples only talk about money when there's a problem. And money's become reactive. Why'd you spend that much? How are we going to pay the bills? Problem, problem, problem. Let's flip that. Start connecting good feelings with money so that when your goals change and your income increases, everything becomes a lot easier. The second rule is be transparent about what you have. Understand what each other has and be honest. Are you saving? Are you investing? What's your money mindset? My partner and I spent months, even years, talking about not just our accounts, but also our attitude towards money. And that's okay. I mean, it takes time. The first thing I want you to do is to zoom out and talk about your goals. Talk about things like, what kind of lifestyle do we want to live? Do we want children? What about vacations? Do we have elderly parents? Things like that. And then you can take a look at your monthly spending. But I want you to keep an open mind here because it's very sensitive. Okay, some people have never really taken a structural, strategic approach to their money. And they literally just spend whatever's in front of them. And that's as far as some people get. And that's okay. But we're trying to be better than just okay. If you are speaking to your partner about money, you can say things like, "Here's how I spend money." Or, "I'm curious. What do you think I could be doing better?" This is best during serious dating or engagement. You don't want to be planning a wedding with financial secrets. It's already pretty costly for most people out there. So why would you want to go into it with anything hidden? The third rule for success is set shared money goals as a couple. What are we saving for together? What fun things will we spend on? What investments will we make? Will we combine finances or open a joint account? It's basically just to agree that money is important to both of you and that you want to work together to create something beautiful for your future. And let's be honest, if you're watching this, you're probably more into personal finance than your partner. And so just like we share reels and TikToks with our partner that we like or find funny or that we're interested in, consider sharing this video with them as a way to start the conversation and, maybe talk about some points that you've been putting off lately. At some point, you'll ask, should we combine our finances? And the short answer is, you probably should. Research shows couples who combine finances, especially those with lower household income, report higher relationship satisfaction. Why? Because you feel like a team. You design a shared vision, you work towards bigger goals, and you support each other when life throws its curveballs. Now, it's not mandatory. Some couples combine everything, and other couples just open a joint savings account. But here's the thing. Couples that don't combine finances often never talk about money at all. They often just slid into being together, kept things separate, and now they have complicated systems. I pay for groceries, you pay for utilities, but I got a raise and we haven't adjusted our ratios. It's a lot. My recommendation? Check out Shan's deep dive on this here. But whatever you choose, talk about money regularly. The fourth rule for success is budget together, but don't obsess over 50-50. List all your recurring expenses that affect both of you. Rent, groceries, subscriptions, utilities. Not stuff like she likes coffee and I like burritos. That's why a hybrid model works. You each cover personal stuff separately. You don't need to split everything 50-50. If one of you earns more, then maybe they take on a bigger share. It's about fairness, not equality. Think of it this way. If she's a millionaire and I'm a starving artist, we both contribute what we can. That's what makes it work. Figure out your wants and needs after paying yourselves first. And if your incomes are similar, then sure, 50-50 might work, but it's not a rule. The fifth and final rule for success: have regular money reviews. Successful couples don't just talk about money once. They review it regularly. Here's how to break it down. Monthly, review your savings, net worth, and compare budget versus actual spending. Quarterly, revisit your shared goals. Are you saving enough? Spending too much? Adjust as needed. Annually, plan a goal-setting dinner. Dream big, set new goals, and reflect on what worked and what didn't. These check-ins keep you aligned and make money a normal and positive part of your relationship. I hope this video helps you have more fun and positive conversations about money with your partner, because I sincerely want both of you to live a life that doesn't have money negativity and for you to live a rich life together. Now check out this video to learn more ways to go about splitting your finances with your partner. We're a small channel on our way to help improve other people's financial journeys. So please like, subscribe, and as always, stay money minded.